start. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, so we're making a taco pizza. You don't have to put a camera at me if you don't want to. Here's my hands. That's all we need to know. Hands. Hello, my name's John. All right, we got some pizza dough. Taco. Uh-oh. I already forgot what I'm doing. Oh my God, it's a complete fail. That's what happens when somebody starts filming you. You turn into a knucklehead. So it's going to be a chicken taco pizza. So I've got some pico de gallo that I strained the water out of. And I'm going to use that for the sauce. And I got some black beans that I need to open. I haven't done that yet. And I'm going to put just a thin smear of black beans on top. I'm going to stretch that again. Let's see. There's no mise in place here. I don't know what's pronounced. It's French for like having everything ready, which is a fail. Like usual. I need your cake thingy for this.
What's my cake thing?
For spreading frosting.
Oh. There. Oh, okay.
This thing. So, do you want to get in the video?
Not really.
Nobody's gonna watch it. Get some organic refried beans. Poor Ellie. She got a.
Stand here and watch.
You're doing that all backwards. Smearing. I think it's called pronounced smearing.
Smearing.
Yes, you got that right.
Got a good look at it.
Yeah, this is way too thick. I don't like beans, to be honest with you, but taco pizza doesn't taste right unless you got beans in there, to be honest with you.
Are you gonna be honest with me another time?
Yes, no, never. I mean, yes, all the time. Did I answer that correctly?
Yes or no? Or...
Yeah, we can call that good enough. Okay. Now I need the pico. And then we're going to put the chicken on. And we got one that tried to run away there. I was afraid this was going to make the dough soggy, so I strained it. There's still quite a bit of water left in there. But I think this will work. All right, now we need the chicken. This chicken cooked. Some onions, green peppers, and fajita seasoning. We gotta make this, we don't want to get too crazy. Or maybe we do. Why are you swearing? This is a family channel.
Olive might be coming over too.
Oh my God, Jesus Christ.
What?
This will get over. It's like a fucking 7 to 8 point fucking buck.
Oh my God, is it the one that's before?
No, up to you. I can't. I'm doing stuff where you don't have to.
He will fucking kill you.
Oh. Okay.
That big boy's gonna get you. It's $30. Dude.
Lulu is not going to bother the buck, and the buck is not going to bother her.
I don't know if you
Here's
know
the
what
chicken.
happened to Ellie today when she was outside walking the dog, but they got charged by a buck.
They got attacked by a buck here. You want to take over again? Oh, charged? Really?
Yeah, it was running at us.
My God.
Looked very creepy.
You know what else we need on here? We need a little cheddar. Don't tell Zoe. She says she doesn't like cheddar. Why is it so hard to open this? It's a conspiracy.
I think she's
so,
gonna be able to tell though.
No, she won't. She'll never know. Because I'm going to put some sour cream on this and some black olives and then probably a little bit more of the picante after it comes out of the oven with some chips. Did I say that fast enough?
No.
No. No, I talked too slow.
Just so we're clear, I did change my patch today. Well,
Let's stretch out this pizza.
let's
No.
stretch out your abs.
Yeah. I've already got abs of steel.
Abs and
Okay.
What?
Olive's texting me.
Oh, okay. She's texting me. But you got a job to do here.
She's asking if she can come over still.
Well, then text her and tell her you can't. We'll just stop it right now. Or should we just put this, you know what? We'll just say we're going to put this in the oven right now. Yeah, and then you can come back afterwards. Okay. It's time to pull pizza out. Are you hungry? Nobody is. There we go. It looks mostly edible. Let's go dress it up. Let's go into a party.
You're trapping her. Lulu, move.
You got to move it, move it. She's
You
waiting.
Sit down.
She's waiting for a little scraps of this and that. I'm gonna put some tomatoes on top here. I'm gonna put. Let's see what else do we need. Oh, we need some sour cream.
days.
I practiced in Paris to do this for like 5 years. What do you think? Is that a dollop? That's the wrong brand. I like sour cream. Okay. Now, what else do we need? We need some chips. Should I break them up a little bit?
Yeah.
You like destruction? We should have something else on there too, but
Guacamole.
guacamole, yeah, would be good, but I don't think we have them. We
Avocado.
got some black olives. Do you like black olives?
You just got
You do.
juice all
Your
over
name
the
is
table.
Olive. Okay. What else would be good on there? Maybe some green onions?
Maybe. I don't know.
Okay, we're gonna call that wraps,
Mm-hmm.
or should we cut it up?
Cut it up.
Yeah, we'll cut it up.
Oh.
Good.
Other
Let's bring it to the table and we'll cut it up. We could probably use a light on though. You guys are mushrooms, you grow in the dark here. Lulu, you're right in the way. Let me turn this on. What happened to you? Should I do this one next? Another one of these, or the pepperoni?
Let's decide that. Oh.
Hmm? Chips are a little hard to navigate. Do you think I put too much sour cream on there?
No.
Okay. That's done. Oh, we could look at the side of it here. Yeah, it's not too bad. It's crispy. It's crispy. It's good.